Hey, this is Josh with Growlink, and in today's walkthrough, we'll be going over how to make a lighting schedule within Portal 2.0. You'll start by logging in to Portal 2.0 and accessing the controller that you want to make this rule on. Once you're at the controller dashboard for that controller, you'll tap the rule section at the top of the web page. From there, you'll select the rule folder and rule group that you wish to make this rule in. In this particular case, we'll use the default rule folder and default rule group. Next, we're going to click the Schedules tab and hit Add Schedule. In the pop-up wizard, first we're going to make a display name for this rule so it's easily identifiable. We're going to use example lighting schedule. Next, we want to choose the schedule type. There is static, dynamic day, and dynamic night. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to use a static schedule as it's the most straightforward. It turns on a device at time A and turns it off at time B. Next, we want to choose what devices we want to turn on within this lighting schedule. There are 4 different devices we can choose in this example. We could choose multiple sets of lights, or we could just use a single light output here. In this particular example, we're just going to select the first light's output. Next, we want to choose what day of the week we want this schedule to be active for. We have the option to make it active every day, or to only have it be active for specific days of the week. For this example, we're going to choose every day, so that it's on every day from time A to time B. Last, we want to choose the time at which this schedule starts and the time at which this schedule ends. In this example, we want a lighting schedule that starts at 8 a.m. and ends at 8 p.m. So for the start time, we're going to put in start time of 8 a.m. And as for the end time, we'll put in an end time of 8 p.m. With all these settings put in place, a logic summary sentence will populate up at the top. And in this case, it's just saying it's going to turn on the output of lights 1. It'll be active from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., just as we desire. Next, we're going to hit Add Schedule. After adding the schedule, all that's left is to update the controller by tapping the Update Controller button at the top right. Once this configuration update goes through, that rule will get passed down to the controller and will start operating that output accordingly. This concludes how you would make a lighting schedule within Portal 2.0.